Correct? Yes, everyone. Did you understand what did I say? Maher Shah 2 raised to 3. Uh, 2 raised to 3, it's not correct. 2 whole 3 upon 7. That is the correct answer. Right? 2 whole 3 seventh. Okay. Yeah, good. Good. All right. So let's do one more example like this, in which I am going to ask you 17 upon 19 minus 3 upon 19. Answer. Yeah. How many answer? Yes, correct answer. 14 upon 19 would be the correct answer. Very good. Very good. Yes, that is correct. Okay. That's very good. All right. Yes, everyone. Done. Good. Yes, Vansh.
Sir, will you please show the first slide?
First slide. I just closed it better. I'm sorry if it is there. Yeah, it is there. Hold on a second. The previous one, the previous slide. There you go. Okay, the first slide. Right? Got it? Right. Next one, it's very easy. It will be 14 upon 19. Directly you can write. Okay? Right? Now, let's talk about this one. It's a square. And what is the fraction of boxes covered in red? Tell me. What is the fraction of boxes covered in red? Rishi, check again, beta. You can send in the box. Yes, real little bit wrong. The correct answer would be 4 out of 14. Yes, very good, Gia. 4 upon 14. That would be the correct answer. 4 upon 14. That would be the correct answer. Yeah. Okay, everyone. Yes, very good, Mahir. That is absolutely correct. 2 or 2 upon 7 also, because look at this one. Uh, undo. Yeah. Black. Okay. So 4 upon 14, but we can write it as 2 by 2 and 2 by 7. 2 to cancel. We have got 2 upon 7. What are these two called? These two are called as equivalent fractions. Yes, equivalent fraction. Correct? Right? Yes, everyone understood? Yes, Gia. बोलो जिया. वंश. वंश बोलो बेटा.
Sir, I don't have a question.
Okay, I saw your hand raised. Yes, Gia.
Sir, I by mistakenly unmuted. I was going to chat, but I
Okay,
tapped on the raise hand.
fine. All right. Okay. Right, everyone? Yes, understood? This is clear? Right? So, now one more trial. We will do one more. Uh, in a circle. Okay. Mhm. Okay. right? And okay, now hold on a second. Wait a second. Wait a second. So tell me which one is incorrect, or rather which one is not an equivalent fraction. Tell me. Oops, sorry. Which one is not an equivalent fraction? Yeah, very good. Easy, right? If you count the number of parts. The third one, it will be 1/4. The rest are 1/2 each. Yeah? Okay, very good. We are going to the next one. Very good. Yes, perfect. Perfect. All right. Yes, now for a triangle, this angle is 40 degrees. This angle is 60 degrees. This is x. Find angle x. Come on, give me the answer. Yes, Nirja.
So we have to write this.
This is practice work. Of course, you have to write.
Sir,
Yes, you have to write. बोलो द्विज.
सर ये कौन सा ट्रायंगल है आइसोसेलेस
ऐसा कुछ बोला नहीं है क्वेश्चन में. क्वेश्चन में सिर्फ एक एंगल दिया है जिसके दो एंगल दे दिए हैं. मेक श्योर ऑफ 2 एंगल्स आर गिवन. यू हैव टू फाइंड द थर्ड एंगल. टेल मी.
sir,
हाँ. Yes.
I didn't know you have to write this, so I didn't write it.
That's all right. I'll be posting this on YouTube on my channel. You can check it out later. All right. Good. Correct answer is 80. We know for a triangle, we can name this A, B, and C. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is going to be 180. Angle A is 40, angle B is 60, angle C is X is equal to 180 degrees. So what will be the answer? 180 minus 40 minus 60. The answer will be 80. Yeah? Correct? Yes? Come on. It is a scale triangle, Mahir. Very good. Why is it scale triangle? Yes, Yug.
Sir, 40 plus 60 is 100.
100. So 180 minus 100 is what?
18, but sir,
Correct answer. Yeah, correct answer is 80. X is equal, final answer will be 180 minus 100, which is going to be 80 degrees. So angle C is equal to 80 degrees.
But
Okay.
sir,
Yes.
40 plus 60 is 100. So why have you done 180?
Here, the sum of three angles of a triangle is always going to be what?
180.
So that's what I have written. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. So 40 plus 60 plus X, which we have to find, that is equal to 180. So from this we can find out that X is equal to 180 minus 100. The sum of these two is going to be 100, like you say. So when it goes on the other side, it becomes minus. Yes? Okay? Got it? Yes or no? Speak up, Yug. There is Yug. Hold on a second, Yug. Yes, Yug. All clear?
Yes.
Hmm. That's good. That's good. Okay. So what do we have? Mahir. Yes, Mahir. Yes, Mahir. Bolo, Mahir.
Yeah, yes, sir. It is scalene triangle because its all angles are different.
Yes, all the angles are different. That is why it is a scalene triangle. If two angles were same, then it would be, yeah, you can, yeah,
Isosceles triangle.
isosceles, because when two angles are same, the opposite sides are going to be the same, and when two opposite sides are same of a triangle, it is called as isosceles, and when all the three sides are equal, it is called as equilateral triangle. And if it is an equilateral triangle, then what will be the measure of angle? Jia, bolo.
Sir, it is common that if one any one triangle is 180 degrees total
Hmm.
of the angles plus, so
Yes.
if 240 plus 60 is equal to 100, so
Hmm.
we just have to commonly add 80 because 100 plus
Exactly.
80.
No, my question to you is that if all the three angles are same, right? That means all the sides are same. That angle triangle is called as equilateral triangle. Yes. So in
Yes.
equilateral triangle, what will be the measure of angle? All the three angles are same. So what will be the angle there? One 180 divided by 3. What will be the answer? Yeah. What will be the answer? Yes, all the angles are same. So 180 divided by 3. Answer is 60. Okay. Yes. Same way in a rectangle, in a rectangle, right? In a rectangle, all the angles are 90 degree. Yes. All the angles are 90 degree.
90.
And the opposite sides are same. The opposite sides are same, correct? For a square, all the sides are same and all the angles are 90. So for a quadrilateral, for a quadrilateral, right, that means four sides, four angles. Angle A plus angle B, say quadrilateral ABCD is there. If quadrilateral it is ABCD, then angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D, it is always going to be 360 degrees. Okay, right? So same way we can find out if three angles are given in a rectangle, in a quadrilateral, then we can find out the fourth angle, right? Let's do it. In a quadrilateral, let's say LMNO, right? In a quadrilateral, right? Angle M, L, angle M is equal to say 45 degrees. Okay. Angle L, right? Angle L is equal to say 59 degrees. Okay. Angle N is equal to say 182 degrees. Then what is angle O? Find out and tell me. Come on. Do the math and find out. How will we find? Same way. Come on. Submit your answer quickly. Anya, check your answer beta again. You can submit the answer in the chat box. Yog Chirag Patel. Incorrect. For quadrilateral LMNO, angle L plus angle M plus angle N plus angle O is going to be 360 degrees. Okay, so angle L is 45 degree plus angle M is 59 degree plus 182 degree plus angle O is equal to 360 minus, है ना, right? Right, so angle O is equal to 360 minus 45, sorry. Right, we have to add these three. 2 plus 9, 11, 11 plus 5, 16. 1 carried over, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 5, 14, 14 plus 4, 18. So 1 carried over, and 1 plus 1, 82. So 360 minus 286 degrees Celsius. What will be the answer? Come on. What will be the answer in that case? Yeah, 360 minus 286. Find out. 74. Yes, correct. 74 degrees. That is the answer. Right? 74 degrees. Easy? Yeah? Yes, everyone? Okay? Right. Come on. Let's do one more example. Yes, 74 example. Let's do one more example. In sorry, in quadrilateral x, y, z, w, angle w is equal to 95, angle x is equal to 84, angle y is equal to 75, angle z is equal to question mark. We have to find angle z. Come on, find out. Yes, once I'm coming to you in a second. Yes, just a second. Once, bolo once, bolo once.
सर इसके पहले की स्लाइड में जो 74 आया था तो वो कैसे आया? मेरा तो 83 आया आंसर।
360 माइनस 286 किया आपने?
नो सर,
हाँ तो फिर
मैंने तो वो डायरेक्ट 3 प्लस करके जो आंसर आया उसको 360 से माइनस कर दिया।
तो तीनों का सम क्या आया आपका?
तीनों का सम 277।
नहीं हो सकता ना, चेक करो, फिर से वो चेक करो। यस जिया बोलो।
सर आई डोंट नो हाउ।
ओके फाइन, म्यूट योरसेल्फ, म्यूट योरसेल्फ। बोलो नीरजा।
सर
हाँ,
वो जो एक आपने रेक्टेंगल बनाया था ना उसमें 90 डिग्री फोर साइड वो स्लाइड आप दिखाओगे एक बार फिर से?
नहीं अभी वो फिर से नहीं जाएंगे, वो बाद में आप यूट्यूब पर से देख लेना बेटा, ठीक है? अभी आगे बढ़ेंगे। 106 डिग्री युग 360 माइनस यू हैव टू डू नो बेटा, राइट? सो 95 प्लस 84 प्लस 75 okay, plus angle Z is equal to 360. So we have to add all these three. 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 5 14, 1 carried over, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 9 is 25 is equal to sorry uh, plus angle Z is equal to 360. So angle Z is equal to 360 minus 254. The answer will be 106. You can check it out. 360 minus 254. 10 minus 4 is 6. So this becomes 5. 5 minus 5 is 0, 3 minus 2 is 1. This is rough work. So 10 and 6 degrees, that is the correct answer. Right? 360 minus you have to do. है ना? Okay? Right. Okay. Now, yes, very good. Now, volume, right? Volume of a cube. What is it? L into L into L. And for a cuboid, it is L into B into H, right? This is the formula that we know. Okay, right? So let's do one more example like this. A classroom has dimensions length is equal to 10 meter, width is equal to 12 meter, and height is equal to 8 meter. Find its volume. Find its volume. Come on. Yes, Dhruvika. Bolo beta. हाँ जी.
Go to the previous side.
Nope. We are not going back to the slides. 30. योग कौन सा मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर रहे हो बेटा? हाँ? Yeah? 960 Vansh, 960 what? Meter cube, right? Volume is equal to L, B and H. So 12 into, sorry, 10 into 12 into 8. The answer will be 960. I'm writing it here. Answer will be 960 meter cube. That's what we have to write. Okay, 960 cubic meter or meter cube. You can both write. You can write it both ways. No problems. Okay. Yes. Right. So for a cube, one side of a cube is 4 meters. Find its volume. Find its volume is equal to what? Come on. Jeet, I'm sorry you cannot see the screen, beta. Chalo. 64 cubic meter. Very good. Correct answer. Very good. Yes, Yug. क्या क्वेश्चन है?
कुछ नहीं सर.
All right. ऋषि, क्या क्वेश्चन है? बोलो ऋषि, क्या क्वेश्चन है?
सर वो पहले क्वेश्चन था, वो पहले में वो था ना, उसमें मेरे को पता नहीं चल रहा था 180 डिग्री था या 360, पर सर अब पता 360.
गुड. यस नीरजा, बोलो नीरजा.
यस सर.
बोलो क्या कहना है?
कुछ नहीं.
Okay, volume is equal to L into L into L. So 4 into 4 into 4, that is going to be 64 meter cube. है ना? Easy. This one was very easy, right? Now, now the next question is the volume of cube, sorry, ये volume में लिखना भूल गया मैं ठीक से. Okay. Volume of cube is 216 meter cube. Find its side. Find its side. Okay, now this is interesting part. What do we do here? This is very interesting part. So everyone put your pencils down. Put your pencils down. Focus. We know volume is equal to L into L. Okay, right? So we have got 216. We have to do factorization. Okay, and we start with 2. We will start with 2. So how do we do factorization? 108. Okay, you have to do the actual division. You might have to do the actual division, है ना? Right? You might have to do an actual division for this, right? Further divided by 2, it will give you 54. Another division by 2, it will get you 27. Now, is 27 divisible by 2? Yes or no? Is 27 divisible by 2? It is not, because the last digit is 7. If the last digit is odd, it is not divisible by 2. So we check for 3. 2 plus 7 is 9, and 9 is divisible by 3. So it is divisible by 3. So what do we get? Okay. So 216 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, so we pair them up. If you remember, we have done this type of example to find the side for squares, and right, we have done it in the chapter of squares. So we will pair them up. That means 2 into 3 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 3. So the answer will be 2 3s are 6 into 6 into 6. So L is equal to 6 meter. That is the answer. Yeah? Okay? L is equal to 6 meters. Did you get it? How many of you got it? Tell me. Yeah? Understood? Not understood? Give me a thumbs up if you have understood. Dvij, did you understand? Yes? No? Come on. Yeah? Manvi, did you understand, beta? Good. Dvij, did you understand? Yes or no? Good. Very good. Yes. Siddhi, Nirja, I don't see your video. Okay. So let's do one more example like that. Volume is 729 centimeter cube. 729. So what do we do with this? How do we find the side? Do it. Find it by factorization. Do it on your own. Come on. Come on. And give me the answer. We have to start with factorization of 729. Okay, 729. Is it divisible by 2? Is it? No, because the last digit is not even. है ना? So it is not divisible by 2. So we check for 3. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 7, 18. 18 is divisible by 3. So what do? We start with 3. right? So 3. Okay, so 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, and 3 3s are 9. 243. You have to do the division. You will have to do the division. Now this is this divisible by 3? Yes, right? So 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3, 27, 3 9, 3 3 1. Okay, so what do we have? 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, so we pair them up. We pair them up. So we have got 3 into 3, 3 into 3, and 3 into 3, which is 9 into 9 into 9, which is going to be L into L into L. So L is equal to 9 centimeter. Yeah, not 18. You 9 into 9 into 9 it comes. So it is not 2 times, it is 3 times. So correct answer is 9. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Did you understand, everyone? Divyanshi, Kavya, Yogjalu, Siddhi, Anya, Druvika. Did you understand? Yes. Akshat Verma, did you understand? Yes, Dvij, आपको कुछ कहना था, बोलो बेटा.
Sir, I don't know in this 72.9 centimeter.
Sorry,
Sir, I don't know in this example.
which example?
Sir, do right now this one.
It is simple factorization, beta. This type of example we have done in the classroom also. 729, is it divisible by 2? First we have to check for divisibility by 2. Is it divisible by 2? Yes or no?
No.
No. So we go for 3. Is it divisible by 3? We have to check
Yes.
the addition, right? Addition comes to 18, and 18 is divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by 3. So we will have to do the division here. Okay, right?
Okay.
You will have to actually do the division. That okay, let's see. 729 divided by 3. So 3 2s are 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. 2 comes down. 3 4s are 12. 12 minus 12 is 0. 9 comes down. So 3 3s are 9. So you will have to put the value there. Then again 243 you will have to do. That 243 divided by 3. 3 8s are 24. 24 minus 24 is 0. 3 comes down. 3 1s are 3. Okay, that is how you actually do the factorization. This is something which we have learned. This is called application in mathematics, where you have studied one chapter way back, but I have utilized that concept in solving another problem from a different chapter. Okay, and this type of question will be there in the exams. Okay,
Okay.
right? So everyone has to do enough practice on this. All right. Okay, so yes, Gia, you want to say something?
Sir, is the exam going to be MCQs, Google
Hmm.
Form?
Yes,
Sir,
MCQ only.
because it in the syllabus
In the
down there
syllabus, it is written as a written
we have
exam. It is typed as written exam. But yes, that is applicable for the higher classes, 6 to onwards. Okay, 6th onwards it
okay.
is written. For 1 to 5, it will be Google form only. But
Okay.
in mathematics, 5th standard paper, you will need a notebook by your side.
Yes, sir.
है ना?
We have to
अलग
do the rough
Yes,
work.
you will have to do the rough work because I have asked some really difficult questions.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay. Sir, thank
this time the question paper will be of 30 marks, and the whoever gets 30 marks, right? Whoever gets 30 marks, right? When I see you, you will have a little bit of surprise from me. Okay, so this is a kind of challenge for you. Let's see who can get 30 on 30. Okay, right? Okay then, that's it for the day, everyone. I will see you next week. Bye bye, have fun, take care. Jai Hind. Dhwani wants to say something. Bolo Dhwani.
यस सर मैं लेट ज्वाइन हुई तो आपने क्या करवाया है?
YouTube पर देख लेना, मैं अभी पोस्ट कर देता हूँ.
ओके सर.
हाँ जीत, बोलो बेटा.
Sir, thank you for studying us.
Thank you for teaching us.
सर अब मैथ्स 6th में भी लेना.
I can't promise that. That is not in my hands. Yes,
अरे
Rishi.
नीचे करो थोड़ा. Yes sir.
हाँ बोलो.
Sir, I have doubt sir.
Tell me.